Hey guys, today is a very special, important day because it's Kai's first plane ride. We're flying down to San Diego to pick up our 2021 Pleasureway Ascent TS. So join us for the journey. It's gonna be a lot of fun. Okay, so we just got home from a trip, hence the mess right here. But I just got a voicemail that we've been waiting for a long time.
Hello, Mr. Diaz. This is Izzy at Mesa RV. I'm calling to let you know that your RV from the factory has arrived.
Mesa RV San Diego, how can I direct your call?
I received a call from Izzy yesterday saying the RV had gotten in, I think, and he said that it had to have some inspections or something. We're from out of town, so we booked a flight to San Diego for today. It's travel day. Cousin, you ready to go on your first plane ride? Yay! The plan of this trip is to fly down to San Diego, pick up our RV, and then road trip back 500 miles north, back up to our house.
It's gonna be an adventure. All right, we're off.
I'm super fired up. We're driving to the airport now. I'm so excited to take you guys on the journey of getting this Class B RV. Now, stick around to the end of this video because we have something crazy to tell you. It may surprise you about how we got this RV. So we made it to the airport and unfortunately we forgot Kaizen's documents. I guess you gotta have a birth certificate or something that proves his age. But luckily they let us through. We were just like, oh shoot, we're brand new, we've never flown before. And they were like, okay, well let's fly this time. And luckily it was just a one-way flight too, so we don't have to prove anything on the way back, so we're good to go. Okay, the other nice thing about flying right now is the flights aren't super full, so we can actually bring the car seat on the plane if we want to, so Kai can sit in his car seat on the row next to us. Guys, and we made it to San Diego! Yay!
So now it's time for Kaizen to eat, huh? And it's gonna be time for Mommy to eat, and Mommy wants to get a good coffee. So I think we're gonna hit the town. Okay, so on the agenda today is to go ahead and find some good bedding so that it's comfy for when we sleep in the RV. And then second, while we're in San Diego, we wanna get some really good food or some really good coffee. So that's what we'll be doing the rest of today.
We got a deal on this hotel through this app we use called Hotels Tonight. I love Hotels Tonight because you can find hotels for tonight for crazy good deals. But actually they just did an update where you can actually book hotels in advance, and you can actually book them pretty far in advance. So if you're looking for a hotel deal, Hotels Tonight is awesome, and you build up points and they hook you up. So we got this room for almost half off. It's pretty amazing.
All right, so we just finished eating LowSarcos right down here, Cardiff State Beach. It was delicious. I got the fish tacos and the shrimp tacos.
And I got a tostada, and Kai ate some beans.
Right next to this restaurant is the PCH, Pacific Coast Highway, and every time we see one of these Mercedes Sprinter vans or camper vans drive by, it gets us so excited because tomorrow we're picking ours up. Target did not have what we were looking for, so we are over here at the mall, and we're definitely gonna find something here.
We for sure are.
I have a good feeling about it.
Options.
Although Target did have one thing I thought was pretty cool and great for the RV. This right here, the Nap Pillow by Casper. Nice, tiny, small travel pillow.
Beyond
Where's
bedding, we found the important things in life. Candy.
Yum. So now we are at Pottery Barn. I think this is it. Look at all these options here.
Alrighty, so we just went into Pottery Barn, and unfortunately they literally have no queen size bedding, like nothing, and this mall doesn't have any other places. So we're gonna have to try again tomorrow after we have the van, which, oh well, you know. It happens, I guess.
Okay, I'm up early. I just snuck out because I have to go to the bank to get a cashier's check. And then I also have to call our insurance guy because we need proof of insurance so we can drive off the lot. But all this has happened so fast because we didn't know when the coach was going to arrive until like 3 days ago. So I haven't even been able to call him yet. So I'm really hoping that I can get that proof of insurance done really fast. Okay, I'm going to try him now. He's not.
Thank you for calling State Farm. Our office is currently closed. Your call is being forwarded to our customer care center.
We'll try this. Okay, that just went really well. She said that all I need to do is call in after we purchase the vehicle. Since we're financing it, she needs the VIN number, things like that. We don't even have yet. So once we actually purchase the vehicle, then we'll call in and we'll get that proof of insurance so we can drive off the lot. Okay, so I got to the bank early because you never know. Sometimes there's a line and I wanted to make sure I got this check and I got back in time so we get to our appointment. But in the meantime, I've been geeking out on some Facebook groups I found for Pleasureway owners. So this is the first one. It's called Pleasureway RV group. Super helpful information in that group. There's like 3,000 almost members in there, and I'm learning every single time I'm in there about this new vehicle. The next one is Pleasureway owners and wannabes. So if you don't have one yet, but you're interested, that's a great group to join. The other one, they actually make you verify that you have one. But this one, anyone can join. If you're a wannabe and you want to just learn about it, that's a great group. That has about 5,000 members in it. And I would seriously recommend this for any van, camper van, RV that you're looking to get. Just search the brand name on Facebook. I did this for even our cars. We have a Mazda, we had an Element before that. Search it on Facebook and then click the groups button. And you can find groups of people just like you who own that same car who can help you out and are always posting helpful tips, tricks, and hacks. Got the cashier's check. Now we're heading over to La Mesa RV to check out the vehicle and hopefully make the purchase. Now when it comes to financing this vehicle, we always challenge ourselves to think, how can we, right? Instead of thinking I can't, because the price tag of some of these vehicles gets pretty high. We start thinking, how can we? We came up with a creative financing solution that you guys are gonna be really excited about. We're gonna share that at the end of this video. Woo! Okay, we got Kaizen dressed. The Uber ride's almost here. I actually switched to a different lens on this camera so we can zoom in on things. Zoom in. So when we're in the RV, we're gonna show you some of the features and it's gonna be awesome. Maybe after you. Hello. How's it going?
My job's not to make it all complicated and complex for you. I'm just gonna make it real simple. If you have more detailed questions, just let me know and I'll answer them.
Okay, cool.
We'll fill it up with water, we'll fill it up with propane.
Oh, that's awesome.
As far as the gas, you'll check on the due bill or whatever they promised you.
Yeah, okay.
But yeah, we fill it up with water and propane.
Oh, sweet.
This is it in real life.
Look at that. Amazing. That's so cool. We did it!
Yay! Road trip, road trip, road trip!
Quiet down, kids in the back. All right, you guys, we're about to drive off the lot. We got it, the Pleasureway Ascent 2021. Oh, this is crazy, 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 crazy. We're gonna go get something from the baby store and then we're hitting the road. So we just stopped at Bye Bye Baby. We had to get a quick accessory for the car for Kaizen, just to make everything fully safe. And Chelsea, when we were driving up here, she's like, hey, we gotta find a restroom, you know? And we pulled in and then we're like, oh wait, there's one inside. It's crazy, like we're not used to this, you're not used to having a bathroom in the car. So we're literally driving around looking for a bathroom and we have one right here inside the car. So that's amazing. I know on road trips, Chelsea doesn't drink like any water because she doesn't want to have to be stopping all the time. So now we can actually stay hydrated and stay relieved on the road. Now, we'll do a full video of why we chose this coach above all others. We looked at a lot of the other smaller camper van RVs on the market in this size, like this 20-foot and under size, because you can fit in a standard parking space. Where right now we're in a parking lot, it was actually really easy to park, And we'll go into why we chose this over like the Airstream, over the Travato, over all the other ones. But one of the main features that we really loved was how spacious this back is and how comfortable. Oh my gosh, if you can feel this leather, it's like smooth, buttery, soft leather, and it's so comfy. We actually went in a Midwest Designs van, and it was comfy, but it just felt a little more crammed and definitely not as soft. This has just nice plush memory foam on top, and we're gonna sleep so good in this when we convert this to the bed at night. What's that face? You just wake up? Did you just wake up, buddy? Okay guys, we got the RV. The one last thing we need is bedding, because we're gonna sleep in the RV tonight. We're driving up probably over 600 miles, and we're gonna stop about halfway along the way and camp out, but we do need some sheets, some blankets, all that stuff. So we're at one last place. Will they have it? We'll see.
Oh my gosh, Bed Bath & Beyond is so overwhelming, but we got the stuff. So we can finally hit the road.
This is crazy.
Hey, I see you guys. Pull over to your left, and then that building that you see, just park right in front and we'll be out.
Nice, I'll see you soon.
Nice, dude. It looks so shiny from up here.
We are so excited because where we're at right now, we're about to share with you how we got this van. Guys, so I told you at the beginning of this video all about this van, but the craziest part about it is that we got it for free!
Yes, and it has to do with this guy right here. This is Casey, and this building back here. And so we're gonna tell you guys all about it on this YouTube channel. So if you wanna know all about how we got this van for free, subscribe to this channel. We're gonna make a whole series about it. This is the first time we're filling up. Actually, the first time we're ever filling up with diesel, too. This thing gets 24 miles to the gallon, so pretty good. We actually went really far. So how's driving the big rig?
Oh, it was a little scary, if I'm totally being honest. But I love how wide and open this window is here. Like you can really see everything, and it's beautiful driving. Definitely feels like a truck, like you're up super high. I am looking forward to getting more comfortable. I don't know if I'm quite there yet, but you know, it's like anything. It takes time to feel really comfortable and get used to it. So I think a few more drives and I'll be a pro.
Alright, day 2 hitting the road. We got this place all cleaned up. I'm gonna be working up here. Chelsea's gonna be driving. And we got Kai Guy just playing around back here. Hey bud. We're gonna have such a good ride home, aren't we? This is our last day and then we're heading home. Yay! Driving up the Interstate 5 in California, there's not many places to stop, but we did find this cool stop here. We actually were attracted to the In-N-Out over there, but we're actually gonna go over to this place right here and check it out. Just want to come here, it's about a week later, but I just want to say thank you so much for watching this video. What a trip. It was so fun. Thank you so much, Mesa RV. And stay tuned on this channel because we are going to tell you how we got this amazing van for free. This van has been such a blessing to our family. We've gone on multiple trips already and we're loving it. We're going to take you guys along for the journey and share passive income tips along the way.